Saw your question about how to get this p-value. You can do this by hand or with a calculator or StatCrunch. Page 456, I give a step instruction to do it with a calculator or StatCrunch, and then they have a formula. Well, you find a critical value and then use the table to find the p-value if you're doing it by hand. But I guess up here, if you look at it, it looks like you did the first part okay, and then you got a sample of 250 students. The mean is 20.3, and the standard deviation is 3.3. So I just use StatCrunch to set, one sample T summary. So you look on this page, it'll tell you to look at go to stats menu. Then you go down to T-stat, one sample with summary, and this pops up. The sample mean we just looked at was 20.3, the standard deviation is 3.3, and the sample size was 250. You've already identified the hypothesis, it's equal to 20, and the alternative is greater than 20. So you punch this in here, and if you come down here and click on compute, it'll give you the critical value and the p-value here, or the test statistic and the p-value. Hope this helps.